Hello and welcome to KraftyLab, where teams connect through innovative and virtual experiences. Let's get crafty!
Studies show that taking care of plants reduces stress and calms the mind. But who has time to work in a garden every day? Step inside our terrarium making experience to get your plant zen on. This class combines the serenity of plant therapy with a touch of creativity. With this team bonding and multisensory experience, our instructor will guide your team through the process from start to finish. No green thumb required. Along the way, we will facilitate relationship-building conversations as you get your hands dirty and learn how to care for your new green office mate. Our kit includes everything you'll need to plant your very own terrarium. To secure your spot, click Book Now, schedule a call, or send us an inquiry. Happy planting!